Each ingredient is selected for its ability to enhance the peptide's power. It fits perfectly into your existing routine without any extra steps, no injections, no invasive procedures. It is just a simple nightly routine for smoother, firmer, glowing skin.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can get Grok for free. If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can arrange those scenes if you are going to create more than one scene, and I'm going to be taking you through the tutorial. You don't need any VPN, you don't need any card, any credit card. So let's dive into the tutorial. One thing you can do is to come to your Chrome or any browser, and in the sidebar you search for rubonio AI. Once you come to the website, you are going to click on AI for scalable video production. You are going to click on that. It will take you to this interface. You're going to log in. Once on this website, it's going to give you Gmail to continue, email, and also gives you where to continue on Facebook, continue with Apple. If you're using Apple laptop, continue with Gmail here. Once you click on it, it's going to tell you to wait for a moment. It's going to sign you in, and once you sign in, you are going to see an interface that looks like this. It's going to give you this code to copy. If you want, you can copy this code in case you want to refer anyone to have 50 credits or 50 carrots. Invite a friend to sign up. Both of you will receive 50 carrots. If you want, you can copy this code and save it somewhere else if you are referring somebody. And I'm going to click no for this tutorial. And once you come to your photo icon here, you're going to see your email on top and your ID is here. Then you have the systems, we have their terms and conditions, we have feedbacks and reports. And if you look next to that, you are going to see something like subscribe. You have already received cyber carrot of 70. That means if you sign up with your Gmail, they are going to give you 70 AI credits that you can use to generate at least 15 to 20 seconds video. When you look at the second step here, this one is going to be daily free AI credits. Every day they give you 20 credits that refresh daily at midnight. So you can create, let's say, 8-second videos, maybe 2 or 3 videos with 20 credits. I'm going to be showing you inside how you can use that one. Then what you can do is you can scroll down and see the AI models that they give. Students 2.0. You can try it now, but I think it's going to be payment. Another one is here. Also have the card videos. So see the funny card videos here, and filmmaker videos also are here. When you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a bunch of them. Card playing here also is the same. This one is going to be in something else. This one is going to be card playing with objects and the likes. When you scroll down, you're going to be seeing a bunch of AI tools that they use, and they're seeing the trends into creation. Okay, now let's head over to new project. Once you come to new project, you're going to click on new project here. It's going to give you 2 things here. You're going to have agent plus workflow. So here what you're going to be doing, you're going to click on this workflow, and it's going to automatically take you to the canvas inside. Let's say loading canvas. Once you are here, this is the most important part, and if you are here, you're going to be seeing a lot of interface. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You see, if you look at this one, so when you zoom them in, they're going to look like this because they are all, may move them a little bit. And what we can do here is we can delete all of them, delete anything that we don't want. There are workflows, we can delete all of them. Delete, click on this workflow, delete this one also, delete this one also, we delete all of them, delete all of them. You can delete all of them here. We're going to create our own workflow. Delete this one also, you can delete. And once you zoom in and out, you're not going to see any workflow here. You're going to start fresh, come to this plus sign and click on this plus sign, and it's going to give you creation types. Scroll down and look for video creation. Once you are in video creation here, what you are going to be doing is you are going to look at image the video. You click on that and you are going to see this icon here will pop up, say image of video, and text zone here. Then you are going to drag your image. So these are the 3 nodes it brings for you: text node and image the video node. So these are the 3 things that comes. So I immediately come here. If if you click on this workflow, image a video, it's going to give you that workflow automatically. So then place your mouse and click on the empty side. You're going to see it will be deleted. So here we have two workflows. You're going to zoom it. I'm going to zoom it a little bit and delete the workflow that we don't want to use. There are two workflows. Let me select one of them. Delete. We need only one workflow. You see we have three of them here and we don't need them. So let me just go ahead and delete those workflows that we don't need. So I can drag this one here and zoom it a little bit. Drag these workflows here. I don't need it. The one that I don't need it, we can delete those ones. Sorry. We delete the one that you don't need. We leave the one that you want. You can drag this one here, delete it. You can look at any workflow that I don't need here. Also drag that one out and delete. You can delete this one out and we need this one. We also need this workflow. So these are the two workflows right now that we need. I'm going to drag them in and out here to show you how this workflow works. Still now, I'm going to bring it more closer. You're going to see now it looks like. I'm going to drag it and drop it here still now. Let me just zoom in a little bit. This is how the workflow looks like. This is where the magic happens. As you can see, we have 70 carrots that we are giving, and here we need to, if you want to run this workflow, you have something like 100 carrots. If you want that, then you can upgrade, become a paid member, then you can get that. But it depends on the type of video creation model that we choose. We have different video models here. We have Student 2.0, Student 2.0 fast. We have Students 1.0 Lite, takes 4 AI credits. Students Pro takes 29 credits. We have Clean, takes 24 credits. We have Clean 2.6, takes 13 credits. Clean 2.5 takes 15 credits, as well as Clean 1.6 also takes 42 credits. We have all of these ones are AI tools. We have View 3 here. We have View 3 down here. View 3.1 takes 79 credits. Sora 2. We have Sora 2 Pro 140 AI credits. We have Grok 25 credits. You see? So our intention here is we are going to be selecting Grok here. You can click on Grok, then you're going to be seeing Grok here. That is 5 seconds. The duration is going to be 5 seconds. Let me scroll down a little bit. The duration is going to be 5 seconds, and you can see if this is 5 seconds, then if this is 5 seconds, then that is going to be the length or the resolution. We are using 720p, and let's check we have 70 credits here. Then we are going to increase the mode. Let's do 10 and see whether our credits here will not be used up. Still now we have 70 AI credits, and this is 49. If I want, I can increase it. Okay, now let me zoom it down a little bit. Let's increase it and say, let's increase the duration to 15 seconds and see how many AI credits I'm going to have. We're going to have 74 AI credits, and here we have 70 AI credits. It will not work. What I'm going to be doing is we are going to reduce this one to 14 seconds. So you can see 14 seconds we have 69 AI credits. So that one is normal. We can go ahead and use that one. We have 69 AI credits, and we have chosen Grok. Then we are going with the duration. Also grab the image before we generate the video. So here what we can do is we can go ahead and drag and drop, or if you want you can click on this button. It will take you to the image section. Then you can select your image that you want to animate. I'm going to select this image and I'm going to paste the text here. So how are you going to paste the text here? You are going to go to your ChatGPT or any image, any prompt generator. In this case I'm using ChatGPT to generate these prompts. So I'm going to take my prompts. I use Gemini here, sorry. And if you want, you can use ChatGPT. If you want, you can use any AI prompt maker. But ChatGPT and Grok are the best for me. Okay, now we are going to look at the prompts here. I'm going to grab this prompt. I'm going to grab scene 22. I just want to test it, you see. Grab scene 22 and I'm going to paste it here. So now what is going to happen here is Anna voiceover, VO voiceover. Each ingredient is selected for its ability to enhance the peptide's power. It stops there. Then what I'm going to do is, because I chose duration scene 14 seconds, I'm going to be bringing a video that can be at least for 14 seconds. So here what I can do is I can go, I'm going to drag this voice over again. I'm going to bring this voice over, I'm going to paste it here and it will continue. Then I'm going to add another voice over again, no injection. I want to copy this one and bring it here again, and I'm going to paste it here, and one more time again I'm going to bring another scene, the last voice over here. I'm going to bring this one, I'm going to paste this one also here, so I have almost a little bit long voiceover. Let me add, there it is. This is a simple nightly routine for smoother, firm and glowing skin. Then what I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to click run. Once I click run, it's going to start running the process, and I think everything is correct now. We have B-roll of animation capsules dissolving. What I'm going to be doing here is I'm going to leave it like this, and I'm going to run it. As you can see, it is running. As you can see now, the video is running, and we can drag the image to better position. I just want to position the video so that you can able to see. It started at 40%. Sometimes it takes close to a minute before the video generation will be done. It is almost done. If you want, you can zoom it. It is here. If you want to download it, then you can come here and press download. And if you download it, then you can click on it. And if you want, you can play to see. It fits into your existing injections, no invasive.
It is just a simple nightly routine for smoother, firmer, glowing skin.
Okay, that's perfect. And the workflow is here. Then you can wait for the next day after, you can refresh it back again. But right now the daily credits are 20 credits, and this one has already been used up. So this is it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon anytime I drop a new video so that you will be notified. Thank you.